More and more local brands are committing to a sustainable future. Case in point, Sunnies Studios. The eyewear brand recently unveiled its latest collection made with biodegradable and sustainable materials. Joining us now is Sunnies Incorporated co-founder Bea Soriano-Dee. Good morning, Bea. So glad that you could join us.
Good morning.
It's a real pleasure to have you, Bea. Now, tell us more about your latest environmentally conscious collection. We're talking about biodegradable acetate, plant-based plastics, recycled polyester and such. Tell us a little bit more about these materials and how it benefits the environment.
Okay, so since 2016, we've always been in the outlook for sustainable materials. But the biggest hurdle that we encountered was not only finding the right materials, but finding the materials that our market could afford. At the start of these innovations, many were just too expensive to even sell at cost. But then when more adoption came into the industry and breakthroughs in technology happened, they were able to make us retailers be able to afford these things so that we could make it more available to the customers. So our goal at Sunnies Inc. Is to use the least virgin plastic that we possibly can. And the three ways we are doing this is by one, using biodegradable acetate. So it's 60% bio-based, and that reduces our fossil carbon use by 60% as well. So number two, we also use plant-based plastic, such as castor seed, which is a great renewable resource alternative for lightweight frames. And then third, we use 100% recycled polyester made from things like water bottles. And that really helps us reduce our carbon footprint by 100%.
That's fantastic. Now, is this shift, fueled by the market? Do people want more environmentally responsible products? You as the retailer, you as the brains behind brands like these, want to operate on a more sustainable level. But does the public also want it? Are they looking for this? Is this a come-on for them?
I think there definitely is. There's interest in it, and it's really starting. But I was talking to my team yesterday, and when we were looking at how the people in the market and in the stores were reacting to it, not many actually yet are buying it for what it is, for what the sustainable materials are. But then I was also telling them that, it is our personal mission. Everybody in this team working on the products, it is our personal mission to look for more responsible materials. And the adoption will come sooner, but it starts with us, right? It's not really more of a marketing ploy. It's really, what is our mission? And our mission is to create more responsible products.
That's a great way to look at it. Now, Sunnies, obviously, from the sunglasses, you've got other concepts, your cafe, Sunnies Face. Is this approach to running the business in a more sustainable, circular fashion going to sort of trickle down to the other businesses as well?
It's definitely a mindset for the entire Sunnies Inc. Company. For Sunnies Face, we're also coming up with post-consumer recycled packaging products that will really help reduce our carbon footprints. And in our other stores, like we have 14 coffee shops called Cup Point. So we're going to start to use PLA materials in there to also reduce our carbon footprints in the cups that we're using.
It doesn't end there, Bea. Sunnies Studios is also committed to a partnership with international movements, organizations, 1% for the Planet for One. Tell us a little bit more about that and how you guys are making a contribution in that way.
Okay, actually, I heard about 1% for the Planet because one of my idols is Yvon Chouinard, and he's the founder of Patagonia. And so we partnered with 1% for the Planet. And when you partner with them, you pledge 1% of your sales to the preservation and restoration of the natural environment. So for us, we've partnered with them since 2021. And locally, we get partners such as Waves for Water to bring access to clean water to over maybe 4,000 households and counting already.
Right. Now, as I understand it, the 1% is either in profit or in kind. And basically, you can just channel whatever help you want towards more environmental stewardship and just really make an impact with the business as a whole. From here, what are the future plans? How do you take this a step further even?
Sorry, just to correct, it's not in profits, it's in sales.
There you
So
go. There
1%
you
of
go.
the entire sales. Yeah.
There you go. Okay, what's the next step
So
for Sunnies?
it's a process and it's a mindset to be a more responsible company, and we're really doing that starting with where we can impact the most, which is our products, but at the same time we're looking at the entire company and the process, the products, the people. So
Right.
that's where we're headed.
Well, these are great options really for people looking for more sustainable products, and a great model for entrepreneurs all over to really take their cue from businesses like yourselves. Thank you so much, Bea, for joining us again. That was Bea Soriano-Dee from Sunny Studios.